This is his first day with me at work. Zeus. Hey, baby. Baby, look up. There he is. Isn't he a cutie? Looks like we have a little piglet and lamb.